Good day, team. I'm Bill McGill, Chairman and CEO of MarineMax, and we've been a public company for 20 years today. Hard to believe, but boy, it's been a lot of fun. It's been quite a journey, and we got an exciting time ahead of us as well. But what I remember most about 20 years ago is we were taking our company public. We were able to bring teams together that have similar cultures that focuses on our customers as we change people's lives. And that's, to me, what gets me up every day, and I'm sure many of you. For those that were here 20 years ago, congratulations. For those that have joined us since, congratulations as well. We're part of the absolute best retailer in the marine industry, for sure, and charter company. Look at the awards we just got on our charter fleet. We're very excited about today. We're very excited about the last 20 years, and the next 20 years are going to be even better. So thank you for all that you have done for not only our company, but also our fellow team members and also our shareholders. Thank you.